Pay attention. While others were spending money to pay their electricity bills, this man actually made a hydroelectric generator and went straight to freedom of electricity. The man returned to his rural home in anger because he was fired from his company. Life in the countryside is good, but watching TV at night costs a lot of electricity. So he decides to make a generator. Here you can see that he drew a figure on a PVC plastic sheet and cut it out. Then he got a 90 PVC pipe and made turbine blades by heating the cut pieces of plastic. Next, all the blades were made and glued to the PVC pipe. After gluing the blades, you need to use a special glue for PVC pipes, because this glue is waterproof. Then prepare a plastic bucket. Cut the bottom of the bucket. Then apply special adhesive to the lid edge of the bucket, and then stick the chain to it. Here we should pay attention to be sure to paste firmly, because this is the power transmission components. After gluing it on and spraying it a nice blue color, next we need to prepare some pipes and weld an iron frame. Since we are making a portable hydroelectric generator, we need to weld a frame. That way it's easy to carry and good for fixing. Welded and sprayed with anti-rust paint. The next step is to assemble. Pay attention to the details. Thanks to the man learned 2 years to repair the bike. Hands-on ability is strong. Not a moment later, the whole generator is installed. Get the water installed to try the effect. Just see the turbine plastic barrel rotating madly. Chain-driven pinion. The speed is upgraded to a higher level. Issued enough electricity for a family to use. Then hook up a 220-volt fan. And here you can see that the fan started working right away. The man never worries about having to pay the electric bill again. What do you think of this production? How many points would you be willing to score out of 10?